Hello friends, meet the ultimate internet celeb, the cat. These independent companions, also called domestic cats Felis cottus, have been chilling with humans for over 9,500 years. Talk about a long-lasting friendship. Cats are stealthy hunters with a taste for the finer things in life, like napping in sunbeams and chasing feathery toys. Their sharp senses, retractable claws, and lightning reflexes make them mousers extraordinaire, but don't be fooled by the cute factor. Cats are masters of communication. From the rumbling purr of contentment to the ear-splitting meow of demand, they'll let you know exactly what's on their mind. These furry enigmas come in a rainbow of breeds, each with its own unique personality. From the playful Siamese to the majestic Maine Coon, there's a perfect partner for everyone. So next time you're feeling stressed, cuddle up with a cat. They're the perfect stress relievers. Thanks for watching my channel, 5-Star Kids Learning. Subscribe now.